presented by UBS Asset Management.
Welcome to ETF TV, your insight into the world of exchange-traded funds, issuers, and investments. I'm Margareta Hricova, and joining me today is André Müller, Head of Client Coverage at UBS Asset Management, and Deborah Fuhr. Welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you. André, great to have you on the show. How have investor expectations around ETFs evolved, and how is UBS Asset Management responding?
What we have seen in recent years is that investors' expectations for exchange-traded funds have undergone a shift. While passive index tracking ETFs once dominated the landscape, there is now growing demand, both across institutional and retail segments, for actively managed strategies. Today's investors are looking for solutions that not only offer cost efficiency, but also align with long-term objectives such as sustainability, income generation, and portfolio diversification. We've built our ETF platform around delivering value through scale and expertise. With nearly 25 years of ETF experience and over 35 years of managing index strategies, we are able to offer a diverse range of solutions that are both high quality and competitively priced.
What differentiates UBS's ETF platform in today's competitive landscape, and how does it align with your broader investment philosophy?
Well, UBS Asset Management has a long-standing track record of working closely with clients to bring innovative ETFs to market. As one of the largest providers of sustainability investing ETFs, we were the first to launch MSCI socially responsible ETFs on major regional and global indices back in 2011. We also pioneered currency hedged share classes for ETFs and remain a leading provider of commodity ETFs with more than 10 billion in assets under management. More recently, we have launched core equity ETFs to provide investors with broad market exposure at low cost, and are now expanding this offering with the launch of core fixed income ETFs. These ETFs invest in high quality government and corporate bonds across various maturities, offering diversified and stable income streams. The low cost nature of our core ETFs is achieved through efficient portfolio construction and scale, which places them among the most competitive solutions available in the market. We plan to provide access to our differentiated active fixed income and thematic equity capabilities through this increasingly popular fund wrapper. This will complement our existing lineup of specialist, sustainable, and currency hedged ETFs, reinforcing our commitment to innovation and client centricity.
Looking ahead over the next 3 to 5 years, how do you see the ETF industry evolving, and where do you see UBS focusing its efforts?
The ETF industry continues to grow in size, complexity, and sophistication. We expect ETFs to become even more central to portfolio construction, not just as passive tools, but as strategic building blocks. The demand for cost-efficient, transparent, and scalable solutions will continue to grow, especially in areas such as sustainable investing, active strategies, and fixed income. UBS Asset Management will continue to offer a full spectrum of solutions, from foundational core ETFs to more tailored exposures, to empower investors to build resilient, future-ready portfolios. Ultimately, we believe that the future of ETFs lies in delivering value, choice, and confidence. And with our expertise and client-first mindset, we are well positioned to lead that evolution.
That's great. Thank you for joining us.
It has been a pleasure.
Thank you to UBS Asset Management for sponsoring this episode, and to all of you for watching. To watch prior episodes and to see news from the ETF industry, visit us at etftv.net. Thank you.
ETF TV News does not provide investment advice nor recommend products.